So, does it drive you crazy when you see the people that are out in the spiritual community and they are all super woo, chanting the moon, recharging their crystals, doing all those things, and you look and you say, but you're not making any money. You're starving. You still have to work at McDonald's to be able to pay your bills. And so it kind of scares you off of the woo and thinking, well, I don't want to go down that path because I don't want to be a broke ass. And then you look at the business people who are like grinding it out, right? They are grinding it out, just working really, really hard. And it's like, oh, I don't want to do that. The thing is that there's gold in both sides. There's beauty in both sides. And when we are able to actually bring those together, marry them in a way that makes it efficient, that's when business becomes easy because you can bring in all the beauty of the woo, all of that magical manifestation, all the ease with the systems and making them work in a way that works for you. That's where I see this intersection of the woo and the practical business skills being able to ramp up your business with ease. So before you say no to either side, maybe start to open up and say, well, how could I marry both of these skill sets together to grow my business with ease? I'm Dana Ferrant, and this is your Badass Business Mindset. Stay tuned for the Badass Intuition being released very soon on all the retail outlets.